Okay, it should be recording. Greetings, Saphera! That's my camera girl. And that's me. Woof. And this here is my old computer. Hold it there. Good girl. And that is where you put your RAM. Now to take it out, it might look different on your computer, but you've got a little clip here. You just click it back. Little click down there. Take it out. And then you just sort of shuffle it out. That's your RAM. It'll look something similar to this. It might be a different colour. There's your connection down the edge there. Now to put it in, you find where that little clip is there, and there's a clip that matches it. And what you do, you push it down, click the sides back in. Might take some time because there's a video card in the way. Alrighty, well it's not clicking in because there's a video card, but you get the gist. Basically push them down, click the sides in. There might be screwing depending on your case. Oh, there we go, got it. There we go. Nice snug fit, just wiggle it a bit, make sure it's not loose. And there you go. That's how you install RAM. Thanks, Leah.
Okay.